When you see a dolphin swimming at the bow of a boat, it looks like the happiest, most carefree animal on the planet. With that permanent smile, they seem like the golden retrievers of the ocean. But behind that smile is an apex predator with an intelligence level that rivals our own. I'm going to show you how they can literally see inside your body, why they pass around toxic fish to get high, and why a dolphin must never, ever forget to breathe. First, let's talk about breathing. For a human, breathing is an unconscious reflex. If you fall asleep, your brain automatically keeps your lungs pumping. For a dolphin, this is impossible. Because they live in the water, if they took an involuntary breath while asleep, they would drown. Dolphins are conscious breathers. They have to actively decide to open their blowhole. So how do they sleep? They use a biological trick called Unihemispheric Slow-Wave Sleep. A dolphin shuts down exactly one half of its brain at a time. The other half stays completely awake. If the left side of the brain is sleeping, the right eye stays open to watch for predators and obstacles. They will slowly swim in circles, surfacing to breathe, completely half asleep. After a few hours, they switch sides. When they are fully awake, they are the most devastating hunters in the sea, thanks to a built-in superpower. The ocean is often dark and murky, making eyes useless. To find food, dolphins use echolocation. Inside their nasal passages, they produce a rapid series of high-frequency clicks. The large, fatty lump on their forehead, called the melon, acts exactly like an acoustic lens, focusing these clicks into a concentrated beam of sound. When that sound wave hits a fish, it bounces back to the dolphin's lower jaw, creating a highly detailed 3D image in the dolphin's brain. But it gets crazier. This sound penetrates soft tissue. A dolphin isn't just seeing the outside of the fish, it is getting an ultrasound. It can see the fish's skeleton and internal organs. If you swim with a wild dolphin, it can actually use echolocation to detect if you are pregnant by seeing the second skeleton inside you. But extreme intelligence leads to complex and sometimes rebellious behavior. Dolphins are one of the only animals on Earth that give themselves names. Every calf invents a unique signature whistle. They use these whistles to introduce themselves to new pods, and they will even call out the names of their friends when they are separated. And just like human teenagers, young dolphins sometimes look for trouble. Wildlife filmmakers have captured pods of adolescent dolphins catching a highly toxic pufferfish. Instead of eating it, they gently chew on it just enough to make the pufferfish release a tiny amount of neurotoxin. The dolphins then pass the fish around in a circle. The small dose of toxin puts the dolphins into a narcotic, trance-like high, and they can be seen floating lazily near the surface, staring at their own reflections. So, the dolphin is a biological genius. It sleeps with one eye open, has acoustic X-ray vision, and uses toxic fish for recreation. If you want to dive deeper into the smartest animals on Earth, make sure to hit that subscribe button.